Hi guys, so welcome back. If you are just joining us, if this is your first time of seeing our video, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And we promise that we won't bore you with things. This is more like a practical video of how we manage our garden, how we manage our farm. So we are currently setting it up. So today in this video we'll be showing you how we're able to plant our yam seedlings. So we didn't get the normal seedlings, so this is what we got. This the kitchen, the ones we got from our waste. This is the head we got. So we decided to still plant them. We use them as our seedlings to, you understand, propagate, to get more yam. So last year we did a water yam. If you have not seen that video, please take your time and watch the video, you understand. So first thing we did was we cleared the ground. Secondly, like we did before, we showed you the seedling. So thirdly, we are tilling the ground now. We want to make a depth of, let's say, not too deep, because we are going to be making ridges. We're going to be keeping sand on it. So we made something not too deep. So you can see me tilling the ground. So after tilling, what we did next was we applied the fresh grass so that it can help with compost when they decay. So after that, we cover the ground and then like lightly, and then place the yam seedling. So we'll keep watching. We'll be showing you things. Okay, yeah, that's one of our biggest fan. That's my son. So he has been helping me out. So sometimes his help used to be very annoying, but sometimes he helps you to reverse what you are doing. He helps you as you are digging, he's covering. So his help is usually funny. So the depth is usually, look at the depth. As you can see, I told you before that the video is going to be practical. See, the depth is just something just at the tip of the shovel. No, at the, yeah, just yes, just that's the depth. I can't really say the measurement, but this is what we actually did. This the depth we used. So next, after covering the soil, adding the dry grass, covering the soil, next is now for you to place the yam seedling. So you see how we did it. So you see how I'm placing mine. You have to check the side that has the tendency to sprout. So you place it on the ground, cover it and then heap, you see. So I'll be heaping sand so that I can make ridge, you get. So yam is a tuber kind of plant. Yam is tuber plant, so we have to make ridge because the tuber, it works with the availability of soil you have, availability of space you have. That's what will make it to grow more, you understand. Okay, so if you are just joining us, if you are just watching this video, if you got to this point, please keep watching to the end and then give us subscribe and then give us a thumbs up. It will help the video, it help more people to see the video. And we heap the soil. Okay, in this particular side, I'm very, very careful because of my young man. He's always helping me out with these things. Okay, so we heap the soil. We are still heaping. See that particular one, we are still heaping. We heap it to the point that is done. We heap it to the point the stuff made. There's a very high ridge. I have to use shovel because I'm not in my village. I couldn't access a bigger and a better hole, so I bought the shovel for the case of this video. So you see the ridge is going up. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and wait for the next video. This is a part 1.